Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to switch to Google Merchant Center next. Let's begin. Switching to Google Merchant Center next refers to upgrading to the new version of Google Merchant Center. You see, if you logged in using your account, or if you haven't already, if you go to the sign into Merchant Center, if you are approved for an account here, you should be able to switch and access the new platform, which is going to be Google Merchant Center next. All right, and unfortunately, you don't have an account yet. So for you to be able to access and switch to the new platform, I need you to sign up for the Merchant Center. All right, if you are approved, if your account is approved, you would see your account accessing the Google Merchant Center next. All right, which is the new platform. And from here, I want you to just follow the on-screen instructions. All right. And then once you have successfully created your account, you would notice that you are approved to switch to the Google Merchant Center next. You see that? So my account was successfully approved to access the Google Merchant Center next. And from here, you have all of these options to the new Merchant Center dashboard. You have the products right here, shippings and returns, your business info, store quality, marketing, which offers the free listings. You can also set your ad campaigns. You have the analytics for summary and products. All right, so we have that. You click that, and you have all these options for you. All right. Now, if you have been using the Google Merchant Center, and once you switch to the new Google Merchant Center dashboard, the layout and some features may have changed. But again, the key functionalities like product feed management, performance tracking right here, and campaign linking will remain. And again, you also have the option to the data sources, people and access, apps and services. If you do that, it would be forwarded here. You can add the Google service, such as Google Ads, Google Analytics, Google Display, and Video 360, Google Business Profile, Google Manufacturer Center, and more services are coming soon. Now, if in any chance you have tried to open an account here on Google Merchant Center and the Google Merchant Center next wasn't appearing, that means you might want to contact the Google support. All right, click on this option right here. You would be forwarded to this section. All right, you want to make sure that you tell them that you wanted some help to switch to your newly created account to the Google Merchant Center next, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to switch and access the new platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.